Scent is your own story. You chose how it is told. Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Today I will be presenting to you some product that I received from a company called Amsord. Before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe if you like my content, and please do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. I am going to be leaving the link to these products that I'm about to present to you today. I'll be leaving them in the description box. Please do check them out.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
I received some products from them and I'm going to be presenting them to you today. I do have their air fresheners. I have 4 types here. The scent is so amazing. I already opened one of it, but before we move right into that, let me just quickly give you some vital information about this company and also about this brand. This company is actually located in the UK. Currently they have Amazon UK, that if you want to purchase this product I'm presenting today to you, you can purchase them on Amazon UK. They are currently working on Amazon USA. So like I mentioned earlier on, the company that I will be featuring working with today, they are called Amsord. They are into air freshener and also into some of what you can use to spice up your delicacy in your kitchen. So today I have 4 of their air freshener in front of me right here, and I'll be presenting this to you today. I'm going to be opening them on the camera. I'm going to be giving you my thoughts, how I feel about the scents, because they all have different scents. All right. Also, I have some of their spices that you can use to spice up your delicacy in your kitchen. I also have those ones. Actually, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing with them in the kitchen. Right here, this is called Unsalt Liquid Hair Freshener. This scent is cherry and the size is 100 gram. It's a liquid air freshener. I actually have opened one of it, which I am going to be featuring after this. Alright, this product by Amsord will actually eliminate bad odor in anywhere you place it, either in your car or in your office or in your living room. Where you place it is going to eliminate every odor. If you're having a special event, you can actually open it because it is so easy to open. You are going to see it when I open the second one on the camera. It's so easy. It's not complicated and it's going to last up to 60 days. Yes, up to 60 days. So depending on how big the place you're going to put it, I will encourage you to put one at the front and put one at the back if you really want that scent to be very powerful. Not that one will not be enough, don't get me wrong. It depends on your preference. Some people like it very loud, while some people like it very subtle. So if you like it subtle, I recommend you put just one in your living room, and if you want it very loud, you can go ahead and open 2. I'm going to go ahead and open this one. I already opened one. To be honest, I don't want to use this now because I already opened one. But I'm just going to go ahead and just let you to see the packaging of this one. This one is the cherry one. All right, this is it right here. And it's, oh my god, I didn't even open it and I can really smell it. Like, wow, that is how powerful this is. Like, this is amazing. So the next one that I'll be talking about is this particular one, which is called the peach nectar. And also this one is 100 gram as well, and this one will give you the sense of peach. If you all know, the peach is the fruit that we eat. That fruit alone tastes good. Not just tastes good, it smells so good. This product has to be placed upright when you're opening it. Don't go this way because the liquid will spill off. Make sure it's in upright position, and wherever you're going to place it as well, it has to be in upright position like this. Remember, it's going to last you 60 days. I want to emphasize that. This peach nectar scent so good. Like when I open it, even my little one, it's 5 years old, my youngest one, it was like, wow, this smells so good. I wish I could capture his voice when he said that, but there were other noises around, so there is no way I could be able to edit that and put his own into it. And I don't want to call him now to come and do that. It will be like planned, scripted. So it's just, it is what it is. So a 5-year-old was like, wow, it smells so good. Yes, ladies, this particular one smells so good. So the other one that I'll be presenting to you, this one is called the Organic Air Freshener. Remember, Organic Air Freshener. This one is wood, and the scent is rose. All right, you can connect with them in all of their social media. I forgot to mention that. I'll put every details, all right, in the description box where you can really check them out. All right, so I'll go ahead and open this one. This size of this one is 72 gram. So I'll go ahead and open it. Let's see. I think this is the one I would recommend you put in your car, just because of the size. Also, it's not liquid, you know, you don't want to put the liquid one in your car. So I said this one is rose. Look, it's so beautiful, very portable. You will surely find a place to put this, obviously, in your car. And also when you open it, it's like this, and then you open it this way. I'm going to open this because I'm going to be putting this in my car. So this is the rose scent. Or like I said, it's easy to just flip your finger through that. Wow, it's not overpowering, it's subtle. You know, it's not something that when somebody gets into your car, they will be choking and be coughing. You know how compacted a car can be, so it's not going to give them that kind of feeling. It's just subtle, like it scents so good. Remember, this is organic, all right, and it is made from natural plant materials. It will also last you for 60 days when you place it in your car. They have it in different other available scents. They have it in cherry, they have it in jasmine, grape, strawberry, vanilla, lemon, coconut, new car. Oh wow, this is subtle too. It's not overpowering. You can smell the vanilla because these are made from 100% organic. They are wood. You can hear the sound, they are wood. All right, and this scent is vanilla, just like the other one. That one also is wood, and that one is rose. It's so like very subtle, like it's not overpowering. This will last you 60 days as well. I just love how subtle it is, because you don't want to have that overpowering scent in your car. So it's so subtle. I love how subtle it is. That's the bottom line. So when you take off this from the can, you're going to cover it with this. Okay, after you cover it with this, there is a small button right here. I don't know if you all can see it. Let me go this way. There's a small button right here. You're going to move that button all the way here to give room for the hair freshener to come out, because you already open it. All right, you see the difference? Let me close it and show you so you can see the difference. Look at that. This is closed. I'll go ahead and open it. This is open. Then you just place it somewhere in your car and you're good to go. So the next one I'll be presenting to you is what you can use to spice up your delicacies in your kitchen. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is the hot chili seasoning. All right, I already used this to prepare, but I'm just going to talk to you about it. It's 100% natural, no artificial preservatives, no added color, no additives. All right, and the ingredients are listed behind it. It has an expiration date also at the back of it. This hot chili can be used for so many delicacies depending on what you want to cook. For some of us that like, you know, when we used to be back in those days that we used to cook concussion rice, you know, those university rice, you could use this. You could use it to season up your fish, your chicken, your meat, and all of that good stuff. It is spicy, trust me. I've tasted it before on the camera, and if you like spicy food, I will encourage you to try this hot chili by Amsord. All right, It is spicy, ladies, so be careful and know the amounts, the quantity. You know, you have to eyeball it to know what quantity you want to use depending on what you're preparing, all right, because it is very, very spicy. All right, ladies. And the next one that we're going to be talking about by Amsord, of course, is the BBQ Spice, which is the soya spice. This, I can assure you, it has the scent of soya spice. When I open it, I was like, wow, it does have, you know, that scent of the soya spice. Back home, some of you that you're from Africa, Nigeria precisely, you know those suyas by aboki, or those malam. Yes, it smells like that exactly. So this, you can use it to seasoning for your barbecue, rubs and marinades depending on what you're going for. You can use it to cook. You can use it on your meats, on your chicken and your fish, and it's hot too. I love spicy food, so I combine both to, you know, to marinate, just to prepare my fish before I put it into the oven. The ingredients of this one too are also listed behind it, like I mentioned before. And also this also has what will help you to retain moisture, just in case you accidentally place it where it's hot, because it is recommended to put it in a cool place. This is also 100% natural, no artificial, no addictive, and no added color to it. It smells like soya spice from Amsord. This is the original. This is the bomb. I will encourage you to check out in my description box more about this information of this company and their products. They are currently running on Amazon UK. They are working on Amazon USA. Very soon they will be established right there, and you all will get that information from me. All right, so let's go to my kitchen and let's go find out the taste, the taste or how I feel about my marinated fish, which is already baked. All right, I'm gonna be trying one of my fish and I will tell you how I like the taste. So, wow, spicy. The pepper is spicy, all right, and I could taste that, you know, the soya spice. I could taste it in it too. What a wonderful combination. The hot chili, spicy. I think I put the right amount, combining the two spices together, and I was able to handle it. So I put the right amount. It tastes so good. I can't wait to continue with the one that I started with. Please do not forget to check in the description box. I will put all the link to Amsord company in the description box. Currently they are running on Amazon UK, working on their Amazon US, which is going to be established soon, and I will surely let you all know when that is ready. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.